Hey guys, the Hypermove pre-alpha version is dropping soon and we are here to guide you through the download process. So let's dive in. Okay, so firstly open your PC browser and search for Elixir launcher. Now you'll be taken to the website, and from the Elixir launcher website you just have to download the Elixir software for Windows. It's also available in Mac OS and Linux, but you just have to download the Windows version of it to try the Hypermove game. So it will be taking a bit of time for the download process. And after the download is complete, you just have to launch the Elixir software. I'll just show it right now. Yeah, here it goes. And go to the search bar on the top of the screen and search for Hypermove games, and from there click on the Hypermove games download button and initiate the download process. As you can see it on the screen, it's pretty much simpler process, and there you have it. It's a quick and simple guide to download the Hypermove pre-alpha and enjoy the game and provide us the feedback. How do you like the game? Thank you so much.